First, you will need to download the messaging application you want to clone. Here I will use Telegram. After installing that app, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Galaxy phone. Step 2. Scroll down until you find the Advanced Features option. Tap on Advanced Features. Step 3. Scroll down a bit and tap on Dual Messenger. Step 4. Now, you'll see a list of supported apps. Toggle the app you want to clone. A dialog box will open. Tap on the Install button. You are ready to use the second application. You can find the second, cloned application in the app drawer. The second app can be identified by looking at its icon, which will have a dual messenger icon. Also, you will see the same icon on the lower right side when the second app is getting loaded. To start using the cloned app, open it on your phone and set up your second messaging account, just like you did on the primary application. The process remains the same.